Is your ROCAM either heavy on fuel, down on power, or over-fueling? In this video, we are going to go through a few solutions. First of all, check the condition of the air filter element. With a diagnostic tester, see if there are any fault codes stored in the ECU and test if they have been solved. If so, clear the fault codes. Check that you have the correct spark plugs installed and that they have the recommended spacing. If your vehicle is a Euro 1, the gaps must be 1 mm and 1.3 mm for the Euro 2. The fuel line must be at 2.8 bars at idle, and test to see if the fuel regulator is operating correctly. See if there is any damage to the fuel return line from the injector rail back to the fuel tank. Make sure that you have the correct ECU for your vehicle. Check that you have the correct injectors. All 1.3 and 1.6 Bantam, Fiesta and Icon models with ROCAM engines use the same fuel injectors. The Ford part number is YS6U9F593JA. If your vehicle is a Euro 2 Bantam, check the operation of the oxygen sensors. This can be done with the diagnostic tester in the data logger section. If the oxygen sensor is damaged, it cannot be repaired and must be replaced. Once it has been replaced, clear the fault codes from the ECU with the diagnostic tester. Then clean and reset the spark plugs and let the engine idle for a while. If you have a 1.3 ROCAM engine and you fit it with an ECU from a 1.4 CVH, the engine will still run, but it will be heavy on fuel and the coil pack will eventually burn out because of incorrect timing. If there is a misfire, there could be an injector driver fault in the ECU or a short to ground in the wiring harness from the injector back to the ECU. Please like and subscribe. Keep on the lookout for more upcoming videos.